I'm Nick Lalonde, the founder of Third Act Wealth Management. I specifically work with high achievers who feel like they have too much energy to just suddenly retire. They've got a lot of life to live and give, and they aren't quite sure how to navigate that gray space. At Third Act Wealth Management, we've retired the word retirement so we can rewrite high achievers' stories to help them identify new goals, find more meaning, and live life with gusto and purpose. It may be time for them to shift gears, but that doesn't mean it has to be a downgrade. Over the past decade, I've been deeply immersed in the world of wealth management, engaging in hundreds of conversations with high achievers like yourself. And you know what I've learned? Our retirement culture often falls short of meeting the needs and desires of pre-retirees and retirees. The romantic way we think about and plan for retirement is kind of stuck in the past. And it's all rooted in two major events that took place long before you even started daydreaming about retirement. So let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The birth of Social Security in 1935 raised the question, when can I retire and leave the workforce? Back then, you could grab your full retirement age benefit at 65, even though the average life expectancy was only 60 for men and 64 for women. Fast forward to today, and the full retirement age hovers between 66 and 67. But here's the kicker. If a healthy couple hits age 65, there's a 50% chance that at least one of them will make it to a ripe old age of 90 or beyond. That means many retirees have 3 to 4 decades of life ahead, not just a handful of years. The second event that shook things up was the rise of Sun City, a retirement community for the 55 and better crowd. Initially, they thought nobody in that age group would leave their friends and family to head off to the Arizona desert. But Sun City's marketing team sold the idea that the golden years began at 55, promising endless vacations, relaxation, and leisure in their community. To everyone's surprise, 100,000 people flocked from all over the country to see their model homes, drawn to the vision of a better life. These events reiterate retirement messaging that encourages us to retire in our 60s, and with our extra free time and resources, we can live life as if it's one long vacation. Sounds great at first, right? But here's the catch that I keep hearing from hundreds of high achievers. Even the most fantastic vacation can get old after a few months. And there's only so much golf you can play. No wonder many retirees end up feeling lonely, bored, and unsatisfied. They need something more. They need something different than many other retirees. We need to retire the word retirement. Making work optional is wonderful, but totally getting rid of purpose, life goals, and the challenges and community that work can bring can wither a dynamic spirit. After hundreds of conversations about people's why behind retirement, I noticed patterns emerging in conversations. There was a stark difference between the reality of those living typical retirement rhetoric from their expectation of how that would feel. While new retirees enjoyed vacations, more time with family, and a slower pace, they also felt a diminished sense of worth that left them wondering what to do with the rest of their lives. That polarity propelled me to start my own business with the objective that this third act of life should be full, fun, and open to new opportunities. Thus, Third Act Wealth Management was born. Life unfolds in 3 acts for all of us. The first act is about learning, the second act is about growth, and the third act, well, it's your chance to discover fresh purpose and identity. We truly believe that life gets sweeter as you age, and the best is yet to come. Your third act is supposed to be your crowning achievement, and it can be with some intentional planning. I want to help you plan with that. We're here to help you align your finances with what truly matters to you so you can happily transition into your third act and live out the best act of your life. We can't wait to work with you on this exciting journey.